Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the save files you want to use. Find them on your phone, SD card, or cloud. Once done, verify the format matches what Aethersx2 expects. Common types are RAW, GCI, SAV. Make sure to copy any originals to a backup folder so you can revert if something breaks. If a save is inside a zip, extract it first. Don't waste time guessing file types. Confirm them in a file manager so the next steps go smoothly. Now you import the file into Aethersx2. Open Settings and navigate to Memory Card or Save Management. Tap Import or Load and select the extracted save file. Aethersx2 will prompt for a target card slot. Make sure to match the game region and choose the correct slot, because mismatched region or wrong slot causes save refusal or corruption. Once done, check the emulator shows the save in its list. If it doesn't appear, recheck file name extension. Finish by launching the game and loading the imported save from the in-game load menu to confirm functionality. If the game rejects the save, convert it to another supported format, for example, GCI to RAW, then re-import. Make sure to clear emulator cache or restart Aethersx2 after conversions. If problems persist, restore your backup and test a different slot or region variant. One key troubleshooting tip: always keep a separate backup copy so you can safely retry conversions without losing progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.